Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on a Redmi 14C. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store, then search for Green Apple keyboard. Then click on Install. Open, enable in settings, and now click on off, OK, and it turns to on next to the Green Apple keyboard. Then we can go back, switch input method, switch it to Green Apple keyboard, then click on OK and finished. You can adjust some settings if you want, or just exit out of the app. And now I'm gonna go to Google to test the keyboard. You can see this is the iPhone keyboard, and you can search, for example, for tutorial info. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.